Oh, it's gonna be line. Y'all do a lot of line duct. Is it because you do a lot of schools?
I'm not sure where this going. We do schools, yeah.
20-foot table. That's nice. It's a challenge ever seeing coil lines run because most of the time it's already done its thing and it's everyone's in the fitting section.
I got a buddy of mine. He got electric. He got electric business. And I make it do something every day. Every time I come here, I've never seen this machine here run. I hardly ever see it running.
Well, it's common to never see them running.
I got a few pieces.
Are there any options that you wish you didn't get that maybe aren't worth the? Are you glad you got the liner?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
I was looking at your liner. It looked like all 56 inch.
Buy more 59.
Turning vane frame. I was gonna catch a video of you doing it, but you're so fast. Man, that's a big piece. Winona. So you say the rain's, where is it right now?
See that line right there? That's about right over the Mississippi River.
So we're gonna, the opposite of storm chasing?
That's right. We're going to run away from this stuff.
Sure is nice now though.
Beautiful right now.
Calm before the storm. It looks like blue sky over there too. Patches of it.